Imagine stepping through your front door and being greeted not just by a house, but by a home, a space that feels intentionally curated, deeply welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. A place where every detail feels considered, and the atmosphere whispers of comfort and quiet luxury. For many, this vision seems locked behind the daunting gates of high-end interior designers and exorbitant budgets. We believe that transformative style is not defined by how much you spend, but by how thoughtfully you spend it. True elegance is achieved through perception, intention, and the artful manipulation of space, light, and texture. It's about making strategic choices that signal care and refinement. This guide is your key to unlocking that aesthetic. We are moving beyond fleeting trends and quick fixes to explore 10 foundational design principles that act as the building blocks of a sophisticated home. These are the subtle yet powerful elements that, when combined, create a powerful illusion of luxury, proving that a truly beautiful space is crafted not from a limitless wallet, but from a limitless imagination. Prepare to see your home in a new light and discover how small, impactful changes can orchestrate a complete and stunning transformation. Segment 1: Strategic lighting choices. Transform any room by investing in distinctive light fixtures. Whether you choose artistic pendant lights, classic chandeliers, or modern wall-mounted fixtures, interesting lighting immediately makes a space feel more deliberate and upscale. Focus on warm lighting and consider adding dimmers to create layers of illumination that feel professionally designed. Segment 2: Architectural details with molding. Adding crown molding creates the illusion of height and brings classic elegance to your rooms. This relatively inexpensive addition makes walls appear taller and gives spaces a more finished, cohesive appearance. Even basic molding painted to match your trim can create a high-end effect when combined with other architectural elements. Replace mismatched cabinet pulls, drawer handles, and doorknobs with coordinated pieces in finishes like brushed brass, matte black, or bronze. This simple swap creates visual unity throughout kitchens and bathrooms, while suggesting attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. Segment 4. Textural layering with fabrics. Combine different fabric textures through pillows, throws, and rugs to create visual interest and comfort. Mixing materials like linen, velvet, and wool while maintaining a cohesive color story adds sophistication and makes rooms feel more inviting and thoughtfully designed. Segment 5. Impactful wall art. Choose one substantial piece of artwork to serve as a room's focal point, rather than multiple smaller pieces. Large-scale art creates gallery-like sophistication and draws attention upward, making spaces feel more important and intentionally curated. Segment 6. Thoughtful entryway styling. Create a welcoming first impression by styling your entrance with a console table, mirror, lamp, and small decorative elements. This often neglected area sets expectations for the rest of your home and demonstrates that every space has been considered. Segment 7. Cohesive color strategy. Maintain a unified color palette throughout your home to create flow and intentionality. Whether you prefer neutrals or bolder hues, consistency across rooms suggests professional design planning and creates a calming, sophisticated atmosphere. Segment 8. Living greenery and fresh elements.
Incorporate plants and fresh flowers to add life, color, and natural texture to your spaces. Even simple arrangements suggest a well-maintained, vibrant home and create connections with nature that feel inherently upscale.
Segment 9. Strategic mirror placement. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of larger spaces while adding decorative interest. Well-framed mirrors function as both functional items and artistic elements, bringing brightness and depth to rooms. Segment 10. Sensory atmosphere creation. Don't overlook the power of scent in creating a luxurious environment. Use candles, diffusers, or other fragrance sources to create subtle, pleasant atmospheres that guests will remember even if they can't identify exactly why your home feels so welcoming. As we've journeyed through these 10 design elements, a clear and empowering theme emerges. An upscale home is not purchased, it is crafted. It is built layer by layer, choice by choice. It's found in the warm glow of a strategically placed lamp, the quiet authority of a unified color palette, and the refreshing vitality of a simple green leaf. These strategies are not about mimicking a magazine spread, but about understanding the fundamental language of good designer, language of harmony, texture, light, and soul. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but intention. It's the curated collection, not the crowded closet. The singular statement piece, not the noisy assortment of knickknacks. By embracing these principles, you move from being a mere occupant of your space to its author, its curator, and its most passionate storyteller. So, begin where you feel most inspired. Let your home evolve gradually, reflecting your unique taste and the life you live within its walls. Ultimately, the most luxurious home is one that feels authentically and wonderfully yours, a sanctuary of comfort, beauty, and impeccable style that didn't cost a fortune, but simply looks like it did.